How do you catch an idea? A really big one. This one originated in the need to address the piles of leftover fabric from IKEA quilt and fabric production. A production team let the miles of unused thread lead them on a winding and unexpected journey in the pursuit of finding new ways to use the material. The team searched long and hard, and when they came across a design student, Eric Bertel, at the Finnish design faculty in Helsinki, the journey took a new turn.
I had this idea of making a traditional Swedish rag rug using only the fabric leftovers.
Eric had come up with a concept for making a beautiful and sustainable rug. But the thread led the team even further, to Bangladesh, a country well known for its textile craftsmanship. A local rug manufacturer managed to surprise the team with yet another spark of imagination. It turned out that the previously unused thread could accomplish even more, as an already good idea was taken to a whole new level. His idea was simple and good: to set up a factory and employ the skilled women of the village to weave the rugs.
Not only are we creating a highly functional and beautiful rug, we're also producing it in a more sustainable way and at the same time helping women in Bangladesh become financially independent.
A simple idea, sprung out of piles of unused thread, led to a solution of improving life for women in a remote village in Bangladesh. So when you step on your TÅNUM rag rug, know that its threads reach further than you can imagine. To us, that's a big idea.